Okay, so we're going to start with about a 2-inch section of hair at the front. And we're going to divide it into 3 sections. And we're going to take the outer section and go over the middle. And then again, the other outer section and over the middle again. And then one more time from the top down. Now, this first section that we crossed over the middle is going to create the waterfall. I'm going to go in behind that and grab a piece of hair and cross that one over the middle section again. And then I'm just going to work this like a regular French braid. So this section on the top is going to get incorporated just like a regular French braid. And I'll be incorporating another piece to pick up behind it to continue the pattern down. Now again, we have our waterfall piece. Keeping it out, we'll grab a piece behind it and take that up and over the middle again. Now crossing the outer piece over the middle again, and also incorporating another piece into that to continue the pattern. And again, we have our waterfall piece, taking a piece behind it, up over the middle, crossing over again, and incorporating another piece with it.
But they're in perfect condition. It's just over a week at a time. I think the heel has dried up.
So I've gone ahead and done the other side to come around and meet this side, the one that we already did, and then I just literally married them together by sorting out the pieces so that I basically had 3 pieces that were equal in density. And now I'm just going to braid these together.